removal from the body, organism, cell. Toxic substances, waste products, of metabolism, respiration. Named substances in excess of requirements. A. Medulla. B. Cortex. C. Renal vein. Concentration of salts is the same in the blood in the renal artery and the fluid in the kidney tubule. Concentration of salts increases between the blood in the renal artery and the fluid in the kidney tubule, and the urine approximately doubles. Proteins are too big to be filtered. 1. All glucose is reabsorbed. 1. Idea of convenience. No need to visit hospital, time not taken up with dialysis. No need for a restricted diet. Idea of improved quality of life. Cost effective in the long term. Ref. To having a working kidney, long-lasting. Ref. To cure, one-time treatment. Any 3 from. Small, so do not need much space. Rapid reproduction rate. Can make complex molecules. No ethical concerns over use. Idea that genetic code is universal. They have plasmids. Idea that plasmids are used as vectors in genetic engineering. Simple requirements, so easy, cheap to grow. Reduces blood sugar concentration. 1. P. Lag. Q. Exponential. Log. R. Stationary. S. Death decline. Limiting factors, factors that limit. Not enough space, overpopulation. Competition. Fewer, no, named nutrients, food. Not enough oxygen. Change in pH, increase in acidity. Increase in temperature. Buildup of, named toxic waste, substances. Total of 3 from. Importance of iron to max 2. To make 4. Hemoglobin. To make 4. Red blood cells. For transport of oxygen. Effects of iron deficiency. Iron deficiency, anemia. Any symptom of anemia. Restriction enzyme. Use same restriction enzyme to cut cassava DNA. Sticky ends are formed joined. Ref. To complementary end-space pairs. Joined by ligase. Idea that need to check that offspring inherit new gene trait. Ensure new GM variety can grow in field conditions. Make sure the new gene does not cause any adverse effects. Make sure GM plants have the same a high enough yield. Idea of building up a large quantity of seed plants to sell to farmers. Closing square bracket. 3AI 1.2 times 108 G 120 million G 1.2 times 105 kilogram 120,000 kilogram. Kilogram or G per day. 3. 3A. Avoid too much named sugar in diet. Flossing. Regular visits to dentist, hygienist. 3B. Diatom, right pointing arrow, lugwam, right pointing arrow, waiting bird. Arrows in correct direction. 3B. Description. More ammonium ions remain in bucket, less ammonium, absorbed by diatoms. Less feces. Higher respiration rates. Lower body mass. Explanation. Less diatoms food, ammonium ions, for lugworms. High respiration of lugworms too, release more energy for finding food, stress, etc. Semicolon. Slower growth rate of lugworms. Non-biodegradable microplastics negatively affect digestion. 3C. Protein, urea, amino acid, 1. 3C. Nitrification, 1. 3C. Plants absorb nitrogen as nitrate ions. Needed to make amino acids named proteins. To make DNA, RNA, nucleotides, bases. Protein DNA is needed for growth, cell division, mitosis. 3D. Visual pollution. Chokes, strangles, traps, blocks digestive systems of animals. Reference to chemical exposure, fumes, toxins. Plastic accumulates in an organism, is passed down a food chain. Described habitat destruction, e.g. plastic covers the habitats. Plastic blocks light, water for photosynthesis for land plants. Plastic block roots prevents root growth. Remain in the ecosystem for a very long time.